We are here at Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road. We are on the 4th floor of this 6th-floor elevator building, and we are going into apartment 414. This is a rectangle-style apartment on the 4th floor. Let's go on in. You can see our kitchen is on the left. There are cabinets above and below the counter space. There's that refrigerator. The sink has the dishwasher underneath. There's a microwave and a stove and oven. In these even number style apartments like the 14 that are the north rectangles, we have wall space across from the kitchen. I think this is a great area to add a shoe rack, a narrow shelf, or a narrow table in here for some additional items in your apartment if you would like to bring those in. Let's pass by the closet and look in there as we go into the main part of the apartment. So you can see we have a hanging rack and a shelf and some floor space. So that is the closet here in this apartment. We will always have the same furnishing items. We will have that dining table and chair. There's the full-size bed, the dresser, the desk and chair, and the tall bookshelf. We'll take a look out the window, but let's look in the bathroom first. That's over here on our right. These bathrooms will always have that tub shower with a sliding door. You can see the sink and vanity underneath that does open for storage. Toilet, large mirror on the wall, light above the mirror, and you can see we've got the cabinet open here in the wall, so you can take a look at that. There's always a cabinet and racks for towels as well. Let's go on in and take a look out the window in this apartment. As we're going through, we'll pass by the heater over here. You can see the air conditioner underneath the window. We're on the 4th floor. We're facing Dryden Road. This is north, so we will have the best people watching views here in central Collegetown from this north side of the building. If you like to see what's going on in Collegetown, this is the side of the building to choose. Towards our right, we're looking towards the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. That's our main Collegetown intersection. And of course, from there, we are located just 1 block from campus. So that's a look at Collegetown Center, studio apartment 414. We're in a north rectangle in this building located at 151 Dryden Road in central Collegetown.